Hey there, Fortnite enthusiasts. Welcome back to another tutorial. Today, we're diving into the crucial topic of securing your Fortnite account by setting up two-factor authentication. It's a simple yet effective way to add an extra layer of protection to your gaming identity. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Now, let's get started. The first step is to open up your preferred browser and head to epicgames.com. Remember, Epic Games is the mastermind behind Fortnite, so this is where we'll manage our account security. Once you're on the Epic Games website, click on the Sign In button at the top right or use the person icon. Sign in with your email or choose another method if you prefer. After logging in, click on the person icon again, then go to Account from the drop-down menu. This will take you to your Fortnite account settings. In the left menu, locate and click on Password and Security. Instead of changing your password, scroll down to the bottom where you'll find two-factor authentication. Epic Games offers 3 methods: Authenticator app, email, or SMS. They're all pretty straightforward. I'll choose email for this example. Click on the method you prefer and select Setup. Follow the prompts. In my case, I received an email with a code. Copy the code, enter it on the website, and choose Enable Email Authentication. There you go. Two-factor authentication is now active on your Fortnite account. It's an extra shield to keep your account safe from unauthorized access. And that's a wrap, folks. You've successfully enabled two-factor authentication on your Fortnite account. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you. For more Fortnite tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!